The Science of Project Management, Tips and Tools for a Successful Project. Did you know that nearly 70% of projects fail to meet their original goals? But here's the good news, with the right strategies and tools, you can join the top ranks of successful project managers. Let's break down the science of project management into actionable steps. Every great project starts with a clear vision. Defining your goals and understanding your project's objectives is step one. With this foundation, you set the stage for success, no matter how complex or challenging your path may be. Behind every successful project is a structured approach. The project life cycle, initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, and closure provides that structure. Each phase carries its importance for keeping you on track. In the initiation phase, identifying objectives, problems, and solutions sets the groundwork. During planning, timelines, resources, and risks are mapped out to align goals with effort. These early stages define your direction. While executing the project, staying adaptable during implementation is key. Regular monitoring ensures you measure progress, catching potential roadblocks before they derail success. And don't forget proper closure, celebrating wins and evaluating results prepares you for future successes. Imagine sailing without checking the weather, risky, right? The same goes for projects without proper risk assessment. Identifying potential challenges before they arise is crucial to navigating the complex waters of project management. Use techniques like SWOT analysis to pinpoint strengths, weaknesses, opportunities, and threats. Develop contingency plans that keep your project steady despite the unpredictable winds of change. This proactive mindset saves time, money, and effort. No tools or tricks can replace the value of a motivated team. But how do you build one? Create a culture of collaboration where every member understands their role and contributes to a shared goal. Encourage open communication and foster trust among team members. From brainstorming sessions to feedback loops, collaboration enhances creativity and innovation. Equipped with the right mindset, your team becomes unstoppable. In today's digital landscape, cutting-edge tools take projects to the next level. Tools like Trello and Asana streamline workflow management. Real-time updates allow teams to collaborate efficiently, and cloud-based platforms remove barriers, enabling progress from anywhere. Advanced analytics tools help refine decision-making by identifying trends and bottlenecks. Tools like Gantt charts provide visual timelines, simplifying complex schedules at a glance. These innovations maximize productivity and drive success. Rigid plans often crumble during unforeseen challenges. That's why adopting agile methodologies is a game changer. Utilizing frameworks like Scrum or Kanban ensures flexibility and adaptability, enabling you to pivot without losing sight of your objectives. Agile focuses on small, incremental improvements rather than large leaps. Frequent reviews ensure continuous improvement and alignment with stakeholder expectations. This approach creates dynamic, responsive workflows, perfect for today's fast-paced environments. How do you know your project hasn't derailed? By tracking key performance indicators, KPIs. These measurable metrics let you assess progress and highlight areas needing improvement. KPIs help you tackle missed deadlines or resource mismanagement early. Whether tracking budget, timelines, or customer satisfaction, use KPIs to ensure your project consistently moves forward towards success. Even when a project concludes, your job isn't done. Evaluate successes and areas for improvement through post-project reflections. Analyze what worked, what didn't, and what adjustments are needed for future endeavors. This process fine-tunes your skills and methods, enhancing your effectiveness over time. Successful projects don't just meet goals, they pave the way for your continued growth as a project manager. Project management success begins with knowledge and action. Now that you have these tips and tools, implement them in your next project. Start small but think big, and let these strategies guide you to create meaningful achievements. Project management is both an art and a science. While creativity and leadership play a critical role, the scientific aspects, planning, analysis, tools, and methodologies are equally important for success. This article dives into the essential tips and tools you can use to ensure your projects are completed efficiently and effectively. Understanding the basics of project management before diving into the tips and tools, it's crucial to understand what project management entails. At its core, project management is the practice of planning, executing, and finalizing projects within specific constraints, such as time, budget, and scope. It involves several key stages: initiation, defining the project's objectives, stakeholders, and scope. Planning, developing a roadmap for achieving the project's goals, execution, implementing the plan and managing the team, monitoring and controlling, tracking progress and making adjustments as necessary, and closure, finalizing all activities, delivering the project, and reflecting on lessons learned. Tips for successful project management. 1. Clearly define goals and objectives. Without clear goals, projects can quickly lose direction. Use the SMART criteria to ensure goals are specific, measurable, achievable, relevant, time-bound. 2. Assemble the right team. Success hinges on the people behind the project. Ensure team members have the right skills, experience, and motivation. 3. Develop a detailed plan. A well-thought-out plan minimizes uncertainty. Break the project into smaller tasks, assign responsibilities, and set deadlines. 4. Communicate effectively. Keep all stakeholders informed through regular updates and meetings. Tools like Slack, Microsoft Teams, or email can streamline communication. 5. Manage risks proactively. Identify potential risks early and develop mitigation strategies. Risk management is essential for staying on track. 6. Stay flexible. Projects rarely go exactly as planned. Be ready to adapt to new challenges or changes in scope. 7. Reflect and learn after the project ends. Hold a retrospective to identify what worked and what didn't. Use these insights to improve future projects. Tools to enhance project management. The right tools can simplify project management and improve collaboration. Here are some of the most popular options. 1. Project management software. Trello, ideal for visual task management using Kanban boards. Asana, great for tracking tasks, deadlines, and team progress. Microsoft Project, a comprehensive tool for large and complex projects. 2. Communication tools. Slack enables instant messaging and team discussions. Zoom, useful for virtual meetings and video calls. Microsoft Teams combines messaging, video calls, and file sharing in one platform. 3. Time management tools. Toggle tracks time spent on tasks for better productivity. Rescue Time analyzes your work habits and suggests improvements. 4. File sharing and collaboration. Google Drive simplifies file sharing and real-time collaboration, and Dropbox offers secure cloud storage for project files. 5. Risk management tools. Iskwatch identifies, tracks, and mitigates risks throughout a project's lifecycle. The science behind effective project management. Effective project management relies on proven methodologies. Some of the most widely used include: Agile focuses on iterative progress and flexibility, often used in software development. Waterfall, a linear approach with distinct phases, suitable for projects with well-defined requirements. Scrum, a subset of Agile, emphasizing short sprints and regular reviews. Critical Path Method, CPM identifies key tasks and their dependencies to optimize timelines. Six Sigma, reduces inefficiencies and improves quality through data-driven techniques. Successful project management is about combining strategic planning with the right tools and methodologies. By setting clear objectives, fostering teamwork, staying adaptable, and leveraging the best tools available, you can ensure your projects meet their goals on time and within budget. Whether you're managing a small team or a large organization, the science of project management provides the foundation for success. Subscribe for more insights and take your project management journey to the next level. Together, let's turn every project into a success story. Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more watching.